Hello dear students, my name is Anil Kumar Shrivastava. I teach PSIR and Polity besides teaching Constitution and Governance in GS paper second especially for the UPSC. PSIR is an optional, that is Political Science and International Relation. It is an optional which is taught under the headings of the optional. You know that under the new syllabus there is only one optional. So if you want to take up PSI, Political Science and International Relations, as your optional, you can consult me. Thank you. Now I am going to discuss another current incident that happened yesterday. That is, for the first time in its supplementary charge sheet, ED, what I mean to say, Enforcement Directorate, in fact, filed a supplementary charge sheet yesterday before the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi, in which for the first time Aam Aadmi Party, a national party, had been charged with criminal or fraudulently indulging in criminal acts by siphoning of money or criminal proceeds that Aam Aadmi Party had earned from a liquor scam, and it was siphoned to the tune of 45 crore rupees to Goa elections by none other than, in fact, by the convener himself. The convener of the Aam Aadmi Party is Arvind Kejriwal, who has been named as the criminal number 37, while Aam Aadmi Party, a national party, a few months back, after Gujarat elections, it became a national party. It earned the, you can say, limelight of the newspapers and media. Then, with it was touted to be an alternative to the Congress. However, it is now mired in a corruption case, as is clear from the recent developments. However, it is yet to be convicted by the court, and finally, if it is convicted by the court, then we would be able to say that Aam Aadmi Party is a corrupt party. But for the time being, it is all about media newspapers and media news bites that we are banking upon. In fact, yesterday, ED filed a charge sheet naming Aam Aadmi Party as prisoner number 38 or criminal number 38, and its convener Arvind Kejriwal as criminal number 37, who is also the convener of the party. And since yesterday, it has been a surging debate in the media, be it print media or electronic media, or in other circles, social circles or civil circles, what I mean to say. So how, what is the background, how it happened at all? I would like to tell you that ED had been saying that 45 crore rupees out of 100 crore rupees were siphoned up to Goa elections during Goa election that took place last year. In fact, its process began in 2022. I would like to tell you that Goa, along with Manipur, Uttarakhand, etc., went to elections, and finally the BJP government there was installed, but Aam Aadmi Party also got 2 seats there. So Aam Aadmi Party is the only regional party besides Delhi, Punjab, Gujarat, that it has got a few seats in Goa as well, Goa Assembly as well. Accordingly, it earned the tag of a national party, and it was accorded so by the Election Commission of India. Since then, it has been debated whether it is doing so at the cost of the Congress at the hustings or some other parties. I would like to tell you, in Delhi, however, it suffered a humiliating defeat at the hands of the BJP, as it could not win even a seat, single constituency, what I mean to say, despite fighting at 4 constituencies. In 4 constituencies, in cooperation with the Congress, in coalition with the Congress, what I mean to say, and Congress herself fought at 3 places or for 3 seats, but it could not win even a single seat there. I would like to tell you, so ED had charged this one that 45 crore rupees out of 100 crore rupees that it had received had been siphoned off through Hawala to Goa elections through South Lobby. However, the Aam Aadmi Party had denied it out and out, saying that not a single pie had been discovered from any of the accused house or residence, and hence it is a false, you can say, charge sheet. That is, the charge sheet ab initio from the very beginning is based on false evidences. It would not stand before the court. Now let us see what happens in the court. I would like to tell you, media are saying, I am using media in fact in plural form. Media are saying that Aam Aadmi Party is the first national party to be charge sheeted by an enforcement agency, as happened yesterday, as prisoner number or criminal number 38, not prisoner number, criminal number 38, it had been charged by the enforcement directorate. And if the court pronounces Aam Aadmi Party as guilty of doing so, the matter must be making its journey to the Election Commission, where the Election Commission under the RP Representation of People Act 1951 might impose a hefty fine on the Aam Aadmi Party, or might also resort to ending its recognition. Both way, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party would suffer humiliation. However, it's a matter that is buried in future. I would like to tell you, right now it is a matter of surmise only. Only one can make a wild guess, not even guess, that Aam Aadmi Party would not be exonerated by the court and would suffer the pangs of this charge sheet. I would like to tell you that this was the case which made strong, you can say, strong debates yesterday among the medias, among the social circles and others. I would like to tell you with this one, I would like to end this lecture. Thank you for watching this.